What up? Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. We're going to start doing these micro kind of episodes to keep you updated with the progress of the car. Long story short, today is Sunday, so you're probably watching this on a Tuesday, but anyways, we are taking the car to Stewart Leask. Stu is our local badass fabricator, so he's been kind enough to fit us in his schedule. We're gonna be focusing on the PWR radiator going into the 240SX. As you guys know, me and Adrian are like keeping up with the car and doing maintenance, but we don't do a lot of super heavy fabrication in here, specifically with TIG welding. It's not our thing. So excited to go to Stu's. We gotta load this car up right now. Let's go. Also, we have Holly's new display. We're gonna ask Stu if he's kind enough to help us mount it to our current like dash bracket. And we have some radiator lines and some fittings. Anyways, we'll dive into this shit when we get to Stu's. You guys are gonna notice a new colorway on the car. We won't talk much about that. Shh. Got that rear chock? I knew it. I knew it.
Close.
We'll have to do it the push super slow way. This is how far we made it, guys. These things are heavy, dude. You got the rear shock? Woo!
Sick.
I did it. Let's go to Stu's. Quite possibly the best radiator ever. Let's see.
He's a big boy.
Yeah, big kid. Shout out to JZX 90. About to get worked on. Shout out to Z that has never been worked on in a year. Dude, it's tough, man. It's tough. Yeah, let's put it up front. Yeah, that Z, I love that Z, man. Travis at Xiaomi and Dave, my old mechanic, helped me a lot on that. It's just something, like we talked about, I just can't afford to put money into right now. Obviously, you see what's going down just to go racing as it is. Stu? Stu, Adrian, hey. Stu.
Good to meet you, man.
We made it to Stu's. Whew, we're sweating. This driveway is super tight. But yeah, we just arrived. So breaking into the radiator, diving into some details here. Yeah, she's quite a bit larger than our old radiator, but. And then we have the inlet and the outlet on the same side, which we want to keep. Got to talk about filler neck and a few things.
Main focus, we'll just get the radiator in for starters, cool. And try to figure out something with that system and go from there. Okay.
Woo! All right, we're dialing it in. Trying to figure out mounting this radiator. It's quite a bit bigger. We're gonna check the fans, whether they're push or pulling. That way we just triple check ourselves and we don't leave Stu hanging. Sounds like we're gonna work on the radiator lines, order some stuff up. And then Adrian, sounds like we have to come back and help out and
I'm down. This place is cool.
route some lines. There's some cool cars around here too.
Yeah.
You got to show them around in a bit. Party! Oh, heads up. We got a tape on it, Adrian. Oh. So me and Adrian, we're gonna ask real nicely if you were able to make us just one bracket. So basically, here's a template.
Okay.
And then we have the new dash.
Okay.
So the difference here, I'll just show you real quick. Town. So basically, you know, our old one, a little bulkier, a little fatter, she plugged in. And our new guy, he's just a little bit wider here.
And there needs to be a hole in it.
So we were, yeah, and a hole in it. So we were thinking, I didn't know, either like gut and then do just a full new plate and then just kind of tack weld that plate to this plate, or if it's easier to just cut in place.
It's easier to lock this piece off.
Cool.
Do another one.
Okay.
If that's cool with you.
That's
then
fine
y'all
with me.
can just take care of painting it or whatever.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay.
We'll butter it up afterwards and we'll have a new display.
Yeah, that won't be a problem.
Cool.
Wish my water jet guy wasn't on such a backup. That'd be an easy piece to just have him do.
Yeah.
He's like,
The fittings. It's a cool screwdriver.
It's just 16. Dude. This is so sick. Those are my favorite.
Wait, is that the motor from this?
That was the motor I built for my 32 GTR. And then I ended up selling that car.
So sick.
So I kept building this motor, thinking that I was one day going to get it in this car.
Yeah.
But I really just kind of like it. I don't really want to do much to it.
Hey,
So.
buy from put in the Z.
What up?
Buy from and put in the Z.
For real,
It's
dude.
literal, right?
We just need to bring the Z to Stu. Like, finish this thing, dude.
All right, whew, it's hot. We made it to Stu's. We're finally in the garage. We have a good plan. Stu is gonna knock this thing out. Hopefully we're gonna get this back by Thursday, Friday of next week.
Like we said, you notice the black in the back.
Don't pay too much attention. New livery on the way. Stu's grabbing some water. Thank you, Stu, for having us. Thanks for knocking this out with us. We'll see the car when we get back, man. Stu's shop's pretty sick. Every corner there's a skyline.
Hell yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
All right, see Stu in a few days. He's gonna help us out. Here we go.